Wipeout number 1. Number 2, Roger Dodger versus Will Dump It All. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Well, I know. I feel like Roger Dodger did win, but I feel like Will Trash It All win. Top Wipeout number 3, Roger Dodger versus Demo Derby. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Well, Demo Derby win the challenge on the wheel. Top Wipeout number 3, Roger Dodger versus Tiger Shark. Tiger Shark win and got up there to win the cheat. Fear the Frenzy. Top Wipeout number 4, Roger Dodger versus 5 Alarm. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Roger Dodger win the challenge. Top Wipeout number 4, Roger Dodger versus Invader. Well, I know Invader win. Top Wipeout number 5, Roger Dodger versus Mega Rex. Unbelievable, man. That Tiger Shark win. That dinosaur win is Mega Rex. Top Wipeout number 6, Roger Dodger versus Bigfoot. Can't stop the stomp. Well, I feel like Bigfoot win that challenge. Top Wipeout number 5, 6, 7, Roger Dodger versus Bone Shaker. Go big, go Hot Wheels. It's Bone Shaker, the leader, win. Top Wipeout number 5, Roger Dodger versus Steer Clear.
Ho, Merry Christmas!
Run, Steer Clear win. Top Wipeout 8, Roger Dodger versus Motosaurus. It will be the last one today. So, Roger Dodger win. Well done, Roger Dodger. You win that challenge. How did you win that challenge? I know I got my super skills on this Woos. I can super speed on this Dodgin. We can crash down. We can bash in all in monster trucks all. All these Hot Wheels monster trucks suck. These are super suck monster trucks. Who wanna win? Me. I wanna super wanted to my superpower. Well done, folks. Well done, monster truck fans. Well, I know Roger Dodger win.
Roger